This is Rob Hauser in Oldsmar, Florida, near Tampa, looking for Lenny Dystrom's Nails Nation, and this is the aftermath of the feared hurricane. As you can see, we got some trees and shit, but you can hear that this is the first time I've been outside. Oh, I gotta turn this camera around. Sorry, I'll continue this. Here's a little bit of wreckage. Carport fell apart. Other than that, it's not very bad. Just a lot of crap on the ground. I don't know what's going on out on the road, but we didn't get it too bad here. We still even got power. My job doesn't have power down the road, but I guess I'm not going to be working. Well, it smells kind of like a lumber yard out here, but no structural damage. Still blowing. Probably gonna do damage assessment before they start cleaning up. I don't even have a rake. I don't have any tools. I'm used to being a renter. Anyway, that's all for now.